Hello Tech Wizards, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post on Threads. So let's dive in. You have to open Threads and then tap on this icon. From here, you can type in anything that you want to post. For example, I'll type, "Don't forget to subscribe." And here you have a few options to add things to your thread. For example, from this one you can add pictures, this one is for stickers, this one is audio note, hashtag and poll. Once you're done, simply tap on post and your thread will be posted. And there it is. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tips. And if you have any questions, drop them below. Thanks for watching.